I'm testing out this CGM from SIBIONICS, and I will show you just how easy it is to apply it. So as you can see, it says twist, and there's an arrow showing which direction. So make sure to read the provided instructions before applying it to avoid applying it incorrectly. Apply sensor only on the back of the upper arm. Avoid areas with scars, moles, stretch marks, or lumps. And the area must be cleaned and dried before applying the CGM. So I will get the app using this QR code. You simply have to scan it with your camera. Here's the link to download the app. I'll click download. And here's the app. So I'll create the account. So I finished setting up my account. It was really easy. I just had to put my name, my surname, my date of birth, if I have diabetes, and so I don't. And now I will be following the instructions to apply the sensor. Here's how to apply it. So choose the sensor site. Find this location on the back of your upper arm. And they show exactly that it should be at the first 1/3 of your arm, like that. Then you have to clean and dry the site. Clean location with alcohol wipe and wait for skin to dry. Alright, I'll disinfect the area. And allow it to fully dry. And now it's the most important step, the application. So you'll have to take your device and twist it to the direction the arrow shows. So basically you'll have to go from the locked position to unlocked. And you will see the applicator has a little lock and a little unlocked lock. So it's really easy. Okay, let's do it. Twisting that direction. And it's ready. As you can see, there's a sharp needle in the middle, but it doesn't hurt to apply at all. And as you can see, there's a little open lock sign, so this has to be at the top. I'm selecting a clean area without any birthmarks and on the fat tissue, just like that. And then pressing. Yes, didn't hurt at all. And now I have to gently remove it. Just like that. It's applied successfully. I'll make sure it's firmly attached without pressing too much, making sure the sticker holds. And now I will apply a protective sticker. So it doesn't hurt at all. You shouldn't be worried about this small needle. And now I'll have to wait until it's ready. So now as I have my sensor, I'll have to sync it to the app. New sensor is applied. And now I will scan my sensor. To pair the sensor to your phone, make sure the NFC feature is on. Alright, I removed my case and I will apply it exactly as they say. Alright, it's connected. You can also use your QR code on the box to connect. So the warm-up time is 1 hour, so it started ticking. I'll wait and start testing foods. If you would like to try out this CGM, use my discount code GRETA10 for 10% off. So it's not too visible and it's not disturbing me at all.